Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we all been going through some pandemonium with this whole coronavirus thing, and it's got us all at home, locked up, social distancing and chilling. And so I wanted to make this video because I have 5 things that practicing lawyers can do while we're sitting at home. We got this extra time on our hands away from the office. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Number 1, CLE'S. Nobody has time for CLEs, and now if your state bar is like mine, they've said that you don't have to, the in-person requirements have been waived for the year, and so take advantage of that. Get all your online CLEs done so you don't have to be bothered with trying to find some schedule to work them in before the deadline. Also, if you're pretty astute in a particular practice area, why don't you try your hand at writing your own CLEs? It's an excellent way to make some money. It's a great thing to do while you have some downtime. Go ahead, hammer out the material, learn what the approval process is, and go ahead and get you a CLE certified so that you can have the extra stream of income rolling around. Next thing is docker view. A lot of docker view companies are moving to online because of the whole social distancing thing. I know that they used to be remote, and then they wanted them at facilities because of security reasons. Now they're doing a reverse trend and getting back to remote. So look for some places through the grapevine, find some places that are offering remote docker view so you can get in on some extra cash. Next is templates. Nothing runs smoother than a well-oiled machine. If you're like me and you're new to practice, as you go along through the practice of law, you're in a lot of firsts, right? It's your first time filing this, first time doing this. Go ahead, clean those out, make some templates. Whatever practice software you're using, or whether you're using Microsoft Word or Pages, learn how to really facilitate your templates. This is going to help you in the long run for those days that you get busy. So go ahead and take this time to hammer out some templates to make practice easier, whether it be templates for practice, letters to clients, policy and procedures for maybe future employees you might be looking at to hire, form letters, emails, things like that. Take this time to make some templates. Third thing is resume fixing. You always want to have a current, up-to-date, tightened resume. The reality of this whole coronavirus thing is that the economy is tanking, and with that is going to come a lot of layoffs, a lot of jobs will be lost. It's just inevitable. And so you want to have your resume tight, ready to go. It's time to reach out and make some connects just in case things don't go in your favor, just in case the population's practice needs may change. You want to make sure your resume is ready. Next tip is the ebook, and this kind of piggybacks off of the whole take the time to make your own CLE. If you are, again, well astute in a practice area, look for some extra streams of income. Be willing to share that knowledge. Write you an ebook, go ahead and get it published and get that baby marketing. Like if you are astute on family law practice in your state, or business law practice in your state, or even talking to people about a certain particular area of law, go ahead and get an ebook published. Take the time to hammer it out and let that extra revenue come in. And last but not least, I know I said 5 tips, but I have this bonus one. Start to look into recession needed areas of law, such as foreclosures, or recession proof areas like probate or personal injury. Guys, I really believe that this pendulum is gonna swing, and so I just want all of us to be prepared so we're not looking for ways to feed ourselves should the table turn. If you're like me, I live in a saturated legal market. I live in Georgia. I'm a new grad. It's just more of us than there are jobs that come around, and the jobs that do come around, they don't necessarily pay enough to have a decent lifestyle and pay for these 6-figure student loans. So that's just the reality of things. Let's all just stay prepared, try to stay ahead of the curve, and I will see you guys in court.